Hello, welcome to Integrity Car Sales and Rentals. My name's Ben, and today I've got this beautiful purple Toyota Spade. I'm going to show you how it all works. We've got the sliding door that will open all the way. It's an automatic door. You have a button on the dash to turn that on and off if you need to. The one thing to be aware of is when you're unloading and loading the chair, you want to make sure that the window's all the way up. If it's not all the way up, the door will not open fully and it will not allow the chair to come out. So make sure that the window is all the way up before you open the door. Now, to bring the chair out, I would recommend that you have the car running whilst doing this. It makes everything run a little bit faster and it will also save killing your battery. So the way to bring the chair out is we're just going to press the down button to bring it out. You get the one beep and it will start to swivel around. Now we've just had the system give 2 beeps. The 2 beeps means that everything is functioning fine and the platform's in the correct position to release the wheelchair from the car. Now, one thing to remember when you're unloading the chair, you want to make sure that the vehicle is on a flat surface. This also includes the platform and where it will eject onto. You do not want to be ejecting this onto the curbside, as it will change where it releases the chair. If you release it onto the curbside, it will raise the platform to a point where it won't be able to eject onto a same level surface. So make sure that you're ejecting onto the same surface as what the tires are on the vehicle itself. Now, to remove the push chair from the platform, you just want to push the chair forward slightly. Make sure you're undoing the brakes as well. Push the chair forward slightly and you'll have these 2 hooks here that are attached to the chair. Now, these have little pockets that you want them to go into. There's actually little switches in here that detect that the hooks are in the correct spot. So I'm going to take them off of the chair and I'm going to push them into here. And they're going to hit those switches to tell the platform, just in there, to tell the platform that the chair has been removed from the platform, and then that will make the platform happy to go away into the car. That is how it should look, and it'll be able to bring the platform back up, no problems. In order to bring it back into the car, you want to do the same process. Right here, you've got this little horn, this white horn. It's also got a little sensor there, and that sensor is what detects if the chair is sitting on the platform correctly. So what we want to do is we want to take these hooks off, let them sit loose back here. We're going to bring the chair back slowly, lining it up with the little brackets that hold the chair in place. Once we're about here, we can get the hooks, hook them onto the chair. And this will also put a bit of tension on the chair to roll backwards. We want to make sure that every time you're loading and unloading that you follow this procedure. If these switches are not hit, the platform will think that the chair should be on there and it will not actually bring the platform back into the car. So make sure that those are hooked on. This will slowly wheel back like so. You can see you've got this little bar here that goes into the horn. Once the platform starts to lift the chair into the car, it will hit that sensor there and that will tell the platform that the chair is seated correctly. So now I'm going to bring it up into the car. You can see as it goes up, it's just hit that switch there and it's locked into place. Once it's halfway up into the air, the rear cables will tighten down in just a moment now, like that. That's made it all secure with the vehicle. So now it is going to go into the car, no problems. Now, if you ever have a situation where you get a long sustained beep and the platform stops moving, that is because the system has detected a problem with the positioning of the chair. So when that happens, just press the down button, bring it all the way out and start from scratch. Usually it's missed a sensor. It's not hit a sensor correctly. It's usually a simple thing. You just have to start from scratch. So bring it back out, put it back on, rehook it all back up as instructed, and it should be happy from there. So that is pretty much it for how the whole system works. Yeah, that's it.